Here is old photo of my grandma. We share special memories together, and I miss her. From old and yellowish photo to this. We all have that one photo. It's tucked in an album or sitting on a mantle. We look at it and wish we could see them smile just one more time. Today, I'm going to show you how to take that still memory and bring it to life totally for free. We're using Meta AI. You might already have this in your WhatsApp or Facebook messengers. I see at my Facebook Messenger icon right next to it 9 dots called Facebook Menu. Click and look for Meta AI. Meta AI is developed by Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram. Just start a chat with Meta AI. First, we need to make sure the photo is crisp. Old photos can be a bit blurry, but we can fix that. Upload your photo by drag and drop like I do here, or click plus button and upload the photo from your file. Simply type "Enhance this photo" and send. Here comes the magic. Click Animate. It automatically made some movement like this. Here I type, "Make this person smile and wave." I don't know why I can't make her smile and wave hand this time, but sometimes this happens and it's learning. I typed the same thing with other photo and it created the still image with one hand up first, ready to wave. Then when I tap the Animate button, worked. So you have to try different way. Just click the photo and right lower, Edit Image and type your request. Here I typed, "Make her wear a hat." Isn't she cute? I clicked Animate. Now you can extend the video from 4 seconds to 8 seconds by clicking Extend and add music to extended video. It shows suggested music clips like this automatically and you play and pick that matches your video. Sorry, audio is missing here. It takes more resources to create video than images and voices, and it's hard to find free video tool like this. Eventually, they will charge, but it's free for now here at Meta AI. Wait just in seconds, and there she is. A smile, a living memory. Hold me closer, hold me fast. Have some fun with this new AI tool you found. Some people say technology is moving too fast, but I think it's finally catching up to our hearts. If you try this, please tell me in the comments who you brought to life today. It's okay to shed a tear. I certainly did. We aren't just using tools, we're keeping our stories alive. If this helped you, please like and subscribe to our AI family. Let's keep learning together. God bless.
Learning AI can be easy and fun.